Hello, friends. Great evening, everyone. Today, I'm so happy because as a history part third related UPSC, state PCS, and other government exams. Because now I will talk about of what is history. Okay, its previous video because I have talked what is origin of the history and what is taken from the history words and where is used first time history and talking about its previous video second part Herodotus as a something basic biography and work. Okay, but now this video I will talk about what is history. So without wasting times, okay friends, let us start. What is history? Okay, what is history? What is history? All the events in the past. Friends, and the definition, all the events of the past. All the events of the past, it is called history. And the series of events or fact that is connected somebody or something, it is called history. Okay friends, let's start and repeat, and you have to repeat with me. All the events of the past. All the events of the past. All the events of the past, it is called history as other definitions. The series of events or fact that is connected somebody or something, it is called history. Again, hello friends, you have to repeat. Okay, the series of events or fact that is connected somebody or something, it is called history. Okay friends, because I am telling history is made of two words. History is made of two words. First, his, second, story. Okay, first his, second, story. His means as it is. As it is. Story means happened. Okay, as it is happened, it is called history. Sorry. What is history again? Made of two words. First, his, second, story. His means as it is, story means happened. It means as it is happened, it is called history. Because as on the screen, as a board, three definitions, you can imply one as you wish. All the events of the past, it is called history, or the series of events or fact that is connected somebody or something, it is called history, or as it is happened, it is called history. Okay, but now I will talk about of as why do we study of history. Okay, why do we study of history? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अब दोस्तों थोड़ा हम लोग हिंदी में बात कर लें। जो आपका जो इतिहास है, क्या इतिहास, जो इतिहास है, इतिहास है, जो इतिहास है, जो इसका परिभाषा है अतीत की घटनाएं, अतीत की घटनाएं क्या कहलाती है? इतिहास कहलाती है। अतीत की घटनाएं क्या कहलाती है? इतिहास कहलाती है। और दोस्तों किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति से संबंधित घटनाएं या तथ्य, उसे भी हम क्या कहते हैं? इतिहास कहते हैं। किसी भी व्यक्ति हो या वस्तु हो, उससे संबंधित जो घटनाएं हैं या तथ्य हैं, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास। और जो इतिहास है दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है। पहला है इति, दूसरा है हास। इति का मतलब होता है ऐसा ही, और हास का मतलब होता है हुआ होगा। यानी ऐसा ही हुआ होगा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं। एक बार और बतलाते हैं। अतीत की घटनाएं, अतीत की घटनाएं इतिहास कहलाती है। और किसी भी जो वस्तु हो या व्यक्ति से जो संबंधित या तथ्य की जो घटनाएं हैं, घटना है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं। या जो इतिहास है, इतिहास, इति जो दो शब्द हो गया, एक इति हो गया, दूसरा हास हो गया। इति का मतलब होता है ऐसा ही, और हास का मतलब होता है हुआ होगा। यानी ऐसा ही हुआ होगा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास। एक बार और दोस्त समझिए, अतीत की घटनाएं इतिहास कहलाती है। क्या? अतीत की घटनाएं क्या कहलाती है? इतिहास कहलाती है। या किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति से संबंधित घटनाएं या तथ्य इतिहास है। किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति से संबंधित इतिहास, संबंधित घटना या तथ्य क्या है? इतिहास है। और इतिहास जो है दो शब्दों से है। एक इति जिसका मतलब होता है ऐसा ही, और एक होता है हास जिसका मतलब होता है हुआ होगा। यानी ऐसा ही हुआ होगा, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं? इतिहास बोलते हैं दोस्तों। नाउ as questions arise, why do we study of history? Okay friends, you have to understand, you have to consider this point. Why do we study of history? Because to know about of your past. Okay, to know about your past, to know about of your past, to know about your past, right? To know about your past and to know about constructive and destructive to know about constructive and destructive. To know about civilization, civilization and culture. Okay, to know about civilization and culture. So we study of history. And again, questions. Why do we study of history? Okay, because to understand about our past better, so that we could learn the from the mistakes, future out our futures. Okay, and because to understand to understand to understand our past, to understand our better past better, so that we could learn from the mistakes, future out our futures. Okay friends, history helps us understand as history helps us understand our own societies, cultural identities, and build citizenship and be independent. Okay friends, and our own, I have indicated, be independent and learn amazing places, and join a community, diverge of historians. Okay friends, because why do we study of history? To understand our past better, so that we could learn from the mistakes, future out our future. And history helps us understand our own society's cultural identities, build citizenship, be independent, learn amazing places, and join a community diverse of historians. So we study of history. Okay, friends, and other things, because mentions history helps us understand our own change, and how the society we live in, and came to be. Okay friends, change how the society we live in and came to be show. Okay friends, but next I will talk about of next slide. And now I will talk about of civilization. Now I will talk about of civilizations. Study as physical aspect. Civilizations study as physical aspects as Stone Stone Age and IVC, Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Okay, friends, civilizations as a means a study of physical aspects as the Stone Age and IVC, Indus Valley civilizations, and I will talk about of cultural. Cultural. Okay, and as cultural study, a study visual. Visual. Visual means physical plus invisible aspects as society, polity, economy, ethics, religion. Okay, repeat, because civilization, a study of physical aspects as Stone Age civilizations, Indus Valley civilization IVC, and cultural, a study of visuals means physical, visible plus invisible aspects as society, polity, economy, ethics, religions. Okay, thank you.